It's Friday, November 14th, and we've had some exciting news in biotech today. It was announced that Merck is going to be acquiring Cidara Therapeutics for $9.2 billion. That's a lot of money, so what is Merck getting for this? Well, potentially a non-vaccine solution to preventing the seasonal flu. I caught up with Cidara's founder and CEO Jeff Stein at a conference in May earlier this year, and he explained the problem that they're trying to solve, which is all too familiar to everybody.
Everyone's familiar with the seasonal flu vaccine. Most people are familiar with the fact that it's really challenging to exactly match the flu vaccine to the circulating strains. The targets of flu vaccines are the surface receptors. They're surface enzymes, actually. One is hemagglutinin, the other is neuraminidase. There are 18 variants of hemagglutinin, there are 11 variants of neuraminidase, there are 130 potential combinations of those two. Makes it exceedingly challenging to match the seasonal vaccine to whatever strain may be circulating.
So how is Cidara trying to solve that problem? Well, first let's talk about the underlying science of what they're building.
The platform is called the DFC, or drug FC conjugate. And exactly as you described, it's really a combination of small molecules or small peptides and the FC fragment of a human antibody, and you really get the benefits of both.
For the flu, they've created CD388, and the idea here is that it inhibits an enzyme that the flu virus needs to replicate. That's important because that's not the part of the flu virus that mutates every year.
Unlike the natural antibodies that we make that are directed against the hemagglutinin or neuraminidase, CD388 has a small molecule. That small molecule is actually part of an approved drug called zanamivir or Relenza, and it is an enzyme inhibitor that is directed against a universally conserved site in the neuraminidase target on the surface of the flu virus, so it is invariant. We've tested CD388 against every available influenza strain, both the seasonal strains and the pandemic strains, and it's virtually invariant potency against all those strains. It's the same drug from season to season. That's a major advantage.
So there you go. That's what's worth over $9 billion. Cidara may have just created a non-vaccine universal solution to the flu. Right now, this is being developed for those who are at high risk to having severe consequences of the flu, like the elderly, and those who are immune compromised, like cancer patients. But as you can imagine, further on down the road, maybe it'll even have broader utility. Congrats to Jeff Stein and his team for having an elegant solution to a big problem.